This Art Deco vacuum cleaner is many years old. Could have been made any time from the late 30s through to the early 50s. I think it might be a later one, I'm not 100% sure. It was brought to me by the dustman, who said it was far too good to throw away. It's still got the original bag with the old Hoover slogan, and this would have been made in the Hoover factory at Perryvale. Furthermore, it still goes. It is bagless, as it were. There's no separate dust bag inside. And when it gets full, it does puff a little bit of dust sometimes when you switch on. See how the bag goes flat when you switch it off. Not bad for something that old, and especially a freebie. Belts are starting to get hard to get hold of now. This is a Hoover 375 model. You can still get them for the 119, they fit some of the later ones, but this uses a smaller diameter belt, so the only thing you can do now is to use an O-ring, believe it or not, but it gets it out of trouble.